So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and here I am with another amazing lab, that is catching and data group with LookML. So first of all, click on start it in incognito window. So if you are new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now wait for the page to fully load. Here enter the credentials as I am doing from the lab instructions, and then click on login. Now basically here please follow the way I am doing, otherwise if you miss any step won't get full score. So do it. Now here first of all we need to enable the development, because if you fail to do so you will get unnecessary error and won't be able to modify the file. So wait for the file to load. Now here finally we have to enable the development mode, so click on it. So finally it's enabled. Now click on develop, then click on Qwiklabs e-commerce. Here in the description box of this video I shared one GitHub repo, so we will be using that. So first of all click on models and then click on training model. Now here go to the repo, select the content, paste here and click on save changes. So now let me show you. We have modified the task number 1 file. So now validate, and after that click on commit. For commit you can write any message, so write it and then click on commit. Now validate and then deploy to productions. So finally it's update. Now we will move forward to the lab instruction and hit check my progress. So this may take 4 to 5 minutes, so wait for it. Hit check my progress. After waiting for 4 to 5 minutes you will get the score, don't worry. Keep hitting check my progress. Just go to the task number 1 and hit check my progress there also. So as you can see we got the score, that means we